2, 1, 0. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody, and Happy New Year. Okay, Merry Christmas, everybody, and Happy New Year 2023. This video is how we performed on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch for the year 2022. So thank you so very much. This is an appreciation video and with the statistics. So YouTube sends me statistics every end of the year just to appreciate, so that we can appreciate the fans. And this is one of the statistics for this year 2022. So this is the snapshot. We had a total view of 106,000. So 106,000 views on our video. And the watch time minutes for this year were 340,000 minutes. So imagine 340,000 minutes were watched in this channel. I know this is small compared to other big channels, but if you look at it, this is a very small channel. This is a channel that has only about 7,000 subscribers. And thank you, Capivin, for liking the channel, liking the stream. So 340,000 watch time minutes. Likes, the small likes, the 1 like, the 2 likes, the 3 likes that you give. Imagine there were 2,691 likes. And the number of new subscribers was 1,865. So we started the year at about, let me do the math, 1,865. We started the year at about 5,600 subscribers. Now we have about 7,500 subscribers. So that is good. And the month that we had the most views was March. And you'll notice that from March, that's where things started going down after March, because I got engaged in other things and I could not put in a lot of work. Margaret Kalori, asante sana. I think Margaret is one of the people who have liked the most our videos the most. These are the top viewed videos of the year. This is the first video that we ever posted, the one that says learn Luo language in 52 weeks. It is the one that has over, I think, 50,000 views. It is called episode 1. If you've not watched it, please go and watch it. That's where we started from in 2019. It says learn Luo language in 52 weeks. Start with greetings, and it was the 52-week challenge. That is where we started from. That is the dream that we had. We had a dream of learning Luo in 52 weeks. Of course, my daughter learned the Luo in 52 weeks, and after that, then we had to do other things. Now, the second video is listening and speaking Luo with English translation, episode 1. So you can go watch this video. Also, the last video is Learn Luo in 30 days, Greetings and Conversations in Luo Language, episode 3. This one was during the pandemic, the third video during the pandemic. That is the one that is, these are the top 3 videos in our channel. These are the ones that are mostly watched. I don't know why they watch them. I think people want greetings. You see, when it has greetings in the channel, I think many people just want to know how to greet their friends. Then in the shorts, we've not been doing very well on shorts. We only uploaded 8 shorts. I think they will increase this year. I don't know whether they'll increase in 2023. I'm hoping they will increase. So we uploaded 8 of them. Our total shorts view was 2,168. And also I have to say that we really did not give much thought to shorts. I know shorts has a way of pushing our channel to the next level, and we are thinking of a way of Pamela Kern. Thank you, Pamela, for liking the video. So we are thinking of a way of just ensuring that our shorts are more. We had 2,168. And also, this is a shorts video that has the most view. This short video was shot in a very remote area. I had nothing to do. I was waiting for someone in the car, and I just said, hey, why don't I just put a shorts video on YouTube? So this is just how to say good morning in the Luo language. Again, it is greetings that is having the most. The second most watched shot is Luo flashcards counting. And the third is Luo flashcards Luo words. I think I have other shorts videos that we posted maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago that have really performed well. And if you haven't seen them, please go get into our channel and look through them and see whether they make sense. We are looking for a way to get into the shorts and the TikTok thing, okay? Then, the top countries viewing our channel. This I know is not true because I know people in Australia, very, very strong supporters in Australia, very strong supporters in Europe. And this says that Kenya, United States, and Uganda are the top leading. I know Kenya is leading, of course, because it has many Luos. And Uganda is also leading because it has many Luos. And the US is, there are a few people in the US who are watching us. But I know there are many, many, many people in islands, in China, in all these places that are watching us. And thank you so very much. It might not have been that you made it in the top 3. But I know that you watch us from all over the world. When I look at the demographics, it's never about Kenya. It's always about some other country that I never maybe knew even existed. Then we finally reached boss status. I don't know what boss status means, but the live stream minutes. This is the number of live stream minutes that we had. 3,307 live stream minutes. So that is how much time I've been taking on live stream for this year only. And remember, this year I didn't live stream like for 3 months. So that means we should have gone into 5,000 minutes, okay? Then the total live stream views is 16,300, which means that those two views, that one view, they add up very fast. So 16,300 live stream views this year alone. Then our most watched live stream, this one we did in how you call it, during Valentine. This one we did during Valentine. It was called romantic phrases in Luo language, I think. And I can tie this now to the reason why we have many Kenyans watching. See, the thing is, if your spouse is Luo, you want a way of expressing your love to the Luo, you know. So all you watch, you look for, all you search online is romantic, you know, things that do with how to get to your spouse and things like that. That's why if we do videos of this nature, they get more views from people who are not Luo because they're looking for the words so that they can speak Luo to their spouse. So this maybe ties up to why it was watched. And also, remember, this is romantic phrases in Luo language was shot in February, but our most viewed month was March. So you can tie those two together, you know. Then our total likes, the total likes that you gave the channel are 2,691. And the total minutes watched was 340,000. 340,000 minutes. Can you imagine that? Thank you so very much. I could have made this year. I could not have made this year happen without any of you. So that is it for today. This video is just so that we keep stats of what's happening in 2022. We shall see how to get another video of the same caliber in December of next year and see how much progress we've made. Usually, I hope that we have so much progress, but life also happens. I'm hoping that I'll not be very busy after after March or after April, some of my programs will be done. And when they're done, I will embrace YouTube fully. So I will be very, 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 you'll see me here every day. Hello, it's Asanteni Sana. Thank you so very much. Kapi Ven, Asante Sana. Margaret Kalori, Asante Sana. Pamela Kern, Asante Sana. David Ruto, Asante Sana. And please give us a like. Just give us a share. Because at the end of the day, they really count towards something. You can see that just one like has turned into 2,600 of them. And this turns into something amazing. Thank you so very much, and God bless all of you. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. How is my singing? Is it crappy? We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Na 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 na